Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. I'd like to introduce you to the new Milwaukee Reamer attachment. This is for their compact bandsaw. It goes on the back wheel, back by the battery. And it does 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch EMT. Okay, and let me show you, it comes off. It comes off clockwise. You turn it like that, it comes right off. It goes on, see, it's got 3 studs, here, 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 and you put it on counterclockwise. You just put it on so the studs go flat, you give it a turn, that's it, it's on. You take it off, clockwise, it's off. Okay, so it weighs about 8 ounces or so. So here we go, 1/2 inch EMT. Okay, you put the EMT flat against the guard right here. That's one thing. And then you get the blade going flat. So like this. Then you just ream it like this. Okay, she's nice and reamed. Here's some 3/4 EMT. Okay, she's very nicely reamed. And it reams the inside and the outside at the same time. It's got an area for reaming on the inside and an area for reaming on the outside. All right, here's some 1 inch EMT. It's nice and straight. Put it right here. And there you go. It's very nicely reamed. And it's best to give this a couple shots, like that. Stop and give it another shot. So there you go. 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch EMT cut and reamed. I'll put links in my video description for the new Milwaukee compact bandsaw, and I'll put a link for the new Milwaukee compact bandsaw Reamer. Also, I'll put links for the new Milwaukee gloves. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.